Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jasmine McDonald and I post ballet and fitness related videos every single week. Now today's video, I haven't done one of these in a while. I wanted to share some helpful tips and tricks in helping improve your front extensions, which are arguably the most challenging, at least in my opinion. I always struggled with my front extensions, but I've recently been improving them a lot with some of these exercises, and I also use some of these exercises during my classes. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. We will need 2 yoga blocks, or at least something that can stack up like a yoga block, whether that's a foam roller or some Tupperware containers or a couple of books. And for today's video, all you'll need are the 2 yoga blocks, like I said before. Let's get started today, just warming up our hips a little bit, taking some double stags, just going from one side to the next. I also like to do these exercises after a really good warm-up, so whether that's warming up yourself before a ballet class, or you already did a dance class and you want to do some extra dance conditioning afterwards, that's when I would choose to do these exercises. They are quite tiring, but the good news is that these exercises, while tiring, aren't really targeting, I guess they're targeting some big muscles, but they're targeting some pretty small ones, so hopefully you're not too sore. Good, just going from one side to the next, just warming up our hips a little bit. Great, and then just take your feet in a butterfly. Without using your hands, just press your knees down. Again, just to open up our hips a little bit. And then let's tap one knee and bring it back, and tap the other, bring it back, and tap one, bring it back, and again. Great. Go ahead and take your legs in front of you. And just before we start with some light stretching, just bend and stretch your knees one at a time, because we're just trying to warm up our hamstrings a little bit, just easing them into a stretch. Great, keeping your back nice and lengthened, and then just relax your feet, lengthen through your spine, just feel both sit bones in the floor. And you can just bend and stretch again, and then slowly just reach forward, trying to keep your back nice and lengthened, so belly button towards your thighs versus this curled position. Again, we're just waking up the hamstrings, kind of similarly to if you were standing on your feet, just letting your body hang. You can point and flex one foot. I like to point one foot, and when I bend the other knee, flex the foot. Just warming up our hamstrings gently, just telling them, hey, it's okay that we're stretching like this. Getting a little bit lower. Great. Now from here, we're going to use our yoga blocks. So go ahead and stack them low and place both feet on the yoga blocks. Flex into your feet and lengthen your spine. You might already feel a stretch here. If it's too much, put your hands behind you and lengthen your spine from here. Pull up your knees so you're not pushing down, so pull them up so you're stretching your knees. Flex your toes back, lengthen the spine. Inhale, lift your arms up if you can. When you point through your ankles, lengthen the spine and roll forward. Once you get as far as you can relax, and then we're going to roll up. We're going to do that again. Flex the feet, lift up, inhale, exhale, point through the toes, lengthen the spine. Imagine someone's pulling your hands to the corner of the room, and relax down and roll up. Again, flex the feet up, inhale, exhale, point through the toes and the ankles, reach forward, and come up. Last time, flex, inhale, and exhale, lengthen. Just warming up the hamstrings. Great. Go ahead and get rid of one of the blocks. It doesn't really matter what you do with this foot. Let's start with our right foot on the block. I'm going to put it lengthwise so that it fits a little bit better. Take your arms out so we're not relying on hoisting ourselves up. We're really challenging our hip flexors here. Point through your toes. You're going to lift the leg off the block 8 times. Then once you lift it up, you're going to flex and point your foot 8 times, keeping it lifted. And then we're going to stretch forward. So we're just targeting one leg at a time. And again, we're stretching our hamstring by going forward, but then we're activating our hip flexors here. So arms out, we're lifting the leg up and down for 8. If you need, if it's too much here, take your body back a bit. 7. Nice and controlled. 6. 5. 4. If you are feeling any wiggling or back pain, put your hands down. 3, but try not to press into the floor to lift the leg. Just use the fingertips. 2, Last one. 1, flex and point the foot for 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. Try to lift it higher. 3. 2. 1. Point through the toe, lengthen the spine. Inhale. Exhale, fold forward. Beautiful. We're going to do that again. Arms out, lifting it 8 times. Let's go for 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. Engaging our core. Last one. Flex and point for 8. Keep lifting it. 7. 6. 5. 4. You've got this. 3. The shakes. 2. 1. Lift it a little bit higher. Point through the toe, lengthen, and fold forward. Beautiful. From here, take hold of your foot, and when you come back, try to keep the connection between your belly button and your thigh as you lift the leg. Beautiful. From here, you're going to let go of the foot without dropping it. So you're keeping the leg nice and lifted, shoulders nice and open. Lift the leg, hold it without dropping it, and let's do little pulses for 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Grab it again, pull it up. Beautiful. See if you can get it a little bit higher. We're doing that one more time. Let go, and we pulse it for 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Grab it. And then we're going to lower all the way down into our back, so make sure you have space behind you. Keeping the leg up. Roll into your back and pull it up. Beautiful. Good. From here, let go of the leg. Keep it extended. Place your left foot flat on the floor, keeping the leg up. We're going to lift our hips into a pelvic lift, keeping the leg up and lower. Let's do that again for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So we're creating strength and support in that supporting leg. 2. Last one. We're going to flex the foot down and up, down and up. 3, 4. Let's go for 5, 6, 7. Last one. Beautiful. Place the right foot flat on your left thigh and just stretch it out. Option to thread your hands through into a figure 4. Beautiful. From here, grab the inside of your right heel. You can extend that left leg, and you can extend the leg open to the side. Feel free. Stretch the knee here too. And then let's do everything on the second side. So go ahead, grab your block, place it on the left, underneath your left heel, and we do the same thing. If you're feeling any kind of pain in your lower back, again, take your shoulders back. Just try to keep your back nice and lengthened and go back, so it just takes a little bit less pressure on your back, and you can relieve it that way. So feet pointed, we lift the leg up and down. Let's go for 8, 7, 6, and 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. We flex and point for 8. Try to lift it higher. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release it down. Take your arms up and stretch forward to go towards your left leg. Beautiful. Let's take the arms out again. We lift the leg up. Okay, we lift the leg up and down for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, flex and point for 8, 7, 6, try to lift it higher, 5, 4, it's difficult, 3, 2, 1, lengthen up and fold forward. Grab your left foot here. We pull the leg up, keeping our shoulders open, belly button to spine. And we're gonna let go. And 16 pulses, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Roll the shoulders back. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Grab it, pull it up again. This part's challenging. Once again, we're gonna let go and we pulse it for 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Grab it, and once again, make your way down onto the mat, pulling the leg up into a stretch. Beautiful. Plant your right foot flat on the floor, arms open, leg is still lifting, so you're not letting it go down here. You're lifting it. If you need to, you can take a break, shake it out. And we lift the hips up and down for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, engaging your core and your glute, 2, and 1. Beautiful. We pulse it for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down. Plant the left foot on your right thigh and stretch it out. And now we kick down and up for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, keeping the hips steady, 3, 2, and last one. Beautiful. Lower down, plant your left foot on your right thigh and stretch it out. Feel free to thread your arms through. Go ahead and grab your left heel. Lay your right leg down. Bring your left knee towards the side. Feel free to extend the leg. And bring it back in. Beautiful. Last thing before we go and stretch. We won't go, we'll stretch after this. No blocks necessary for this. We're just gonna do développés and kicks. So starting with our right leg, toe to knee. Lift the knee. Extend, lower down. We're gonna do 4. Toe to knee, lift the knee, extend, keeping the back flat, down. Again for 2. Lift the knee, extend, lower down. Last one, toe to knee, lift the knee, extend, lower down. Reverse, lift it up, bring it in, toe to knee, down, lift it up, bring it in, toe to knee, down. 2 more, lift it up, bring it in, toe to knee, down. Last one, lift it up, bring it in, toe to knee. We do 8 kicks from here, keeping the back flat. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Same to the left, toe to knee. Lift the knee, extend, lower down, toe to knee, lift the knee, extend, lower down, toe to knee, lift the knee, extend, lower down. Last développé, toe to knee, lift the knee, extend, Down, reverse, lift it up, envelope and in, toe to knee. Down again, lift it up, lift it in, toe to knee. Down, 2 more, lift it up and in, toe to knee. Down, last one, lift it up and in, toe to knee. Down, 8 kicks, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Go ahead and roll up. Take your legs out behind you. Grab your 2 blocks. Take a step forward with your right leg. Step back with your left in a triangle. And let's take a step down into a lunge. Try to stack your shoulders on top of your hips. Exhale, sit back, stretch your front knee, belly button to thigh. And let's slide into a right leg split. And we do the same to the left. Take a step forward with your left leg in a triangle. Take a step back into a low lunge. Sit back, stretch your front knee, and then slide into a left leg split. Beautiful. Well, I hope you guys found these exercises helpful. Let me know what you want to see next. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.